it's your girl Larra J and welcome back to my channel. For today's video guys, as you can see on the title, this is going to be my everyday favorite lipsticks. So if you're interested and if you want to know more about these products, just please keep on watching. And before anything else, just please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos and for more updates. Just please follow me on my social media handles. It is always linked down below in the description box. And yeah, without further ado, let's begin. So walang specific order tong mga ipapakita kong products sa inyo guys. So very random lang. And lahat kasi talaga sila is favorite ko and ginagamit ko for an everyday basis. It depends talaga kung ano yung gusto kong gamitin or dalhin for that day. So yeah. So now let's start with my current go-to favorite lipstick. And this is the Advanced Lip Define Matte Matic Lipstick. And this is in the shade Raw Burgundy. So this lipstick you guys contains 2.5 grams of product and it only costs you 185 pesos you guys. So super duper affordable, right? So this is a crayon lipstick you guys. So ayan, as you can see. And retractable siya. So natitwist siya sa bottom para lumabas yung product. Ayan. So this matte matic lipstick guys from Advanced, they have 6 shades for this one. And si Raw Burgundy yung pinaka napusuan ko talaga na shade. Kasi si Raw Burgundy is a warm tone na brown. But meron siyang undertone na parang reddish. So that's why I really like this. So I'm going to swatch this for you guys para mas makita niyo yung shade niya. So here's the swatch ng Raw Burgundy from Advanced. Ayan. As you can see, perfect shade of brown siya for medium skin tones like me. Very creamy and moisturizing yung finish niya guys. And what I like about this product talaga is definitely not super matte sa lips. So hindi siya super drying tignan. Nagmumukhang healthy yung lips ko sa kanya. And the pigmentation is super good. Plus yung longevity niya guys, kung i-rate ko siya from 1 to 5, siguro mga nasa 4. So very good na para sa akin yon. And yeah, for the next lipstick you guys, this is from Maybelline and this is their creamy mattes. So I have 2 in here. The first one is the Clay Crush and the second one is Nude Nuance. So this lipstick you guys contains 4.5 grams of product and it only costs you like 299 I think. Lagi namang nagsisale si Maybelline, so I think mas mababa pa sa 299 yung price neto. What I like about this product is its texture. So very creamy talaga yung texture niya guys. Super buttery nung feels niya when you apply it on your lips. And then after that, it leaves a stain or a tint on your lips kapag nagpa-fade na siya. So here's the swatch you guys. So ito si Clay Crush and ito naman si Nude Nuance. So as you can see, super perfect na parang corally peachy tone si Clay Crush, while si Nude Nuance parang muted dark brown siya. Yung longevity nito for me from 1 to 5, I think 4 din. And by the way guys, may mga scent itong lipsticks na to. And actually, okay lang para sa akin yung scent nila. But if you're not into scents, baka hindi nyo magustuhan tong lipstick na to. But as for me, super gusto ko yung scent nila. Kasi parang chocolate na parang candy yung amoy. And yeah, now let's proceed with the next lipstick. And this lipstick is from Careline. This is their matte liquid lipstick. And this lipstick contains 5.5 ml of product and it will cost you around 195 pesos. This is in the shade Gotta Go by the way. And this lipstick you guys, na-discover ko lang talaga to kay Rai Velasco. So #Rai made me buy this. And itong si Careline Gotta Go guys, para siyang peachy nude shade na perfect din for medium skin tones like me. So here's the swatch. So this one is the Careline Gotta Go. Ayan, as you can see. So super ganda nung shade niya, right? And sa buong range nung Careline Matte Liquid Lipstick, ito yung pinakamaganda na shade for me na perfect talaga for an everyday wear. And by the way you guys, it's a little bit drying, so I suggest super thin layer lang nung gagawin nyo and dapat prep yung lips nyo para mas okay yung application niya. So now we're down with the last 2 lipsticks in here. And the second to the last that I have in here is the Colourette Supramatte in the shade Isla. So I forgot kung ilang ml tong product na to or grams, but this cost you like 499 pesos and I know it's a little bit pricey, but I got this nung nag-sale yung Colourette and parang naging 250 na lang siya I think. Super duper steal. And this lipstick you guys, as in super tagal na sa akin neto, and super gamit na gamit ko to, you guys. And what I like about this product is very quick drying siya when you apply it. Intense yung color payoff niya. So I'm going to swatch it for you guys. Ayan, so ito siya, guys. So this is the shade Isla from Colourette Supramatte. So super ganda, 'di ba? Ayan, super ganda niya talaga, guys. And quick drying siya sa lips talaga pag in-apply. Plus, it's very long lasting, you guys. For me, very long lasting na siya kasi nagtatagal siya sa akin ng mga 10 hours or more. Smudge proof and very comfortable pa siya sa lips. So, yeah, parang nasa kanya na ang lahat. Yung pinaka gusto ko talaga sa lipstick na to, you guys, is that minty feeling. Kasi kapag in-apply mo siya sa lips mo, parang kang kumain ng candy kasi meron siyang mint. So, very relaxing, refreshing yung feeling niya kapag ina-apply mo siya sa lips. And it's not sticky, you guys. So, if I were you, you should get your hands on this Colourette Supramatte, you guys. Highly, highly recommend this one. And now we're down to the last lipstick that I have in here. And technically, this is not a lipstick, but it feels like a lipstick. And this is the Colourette Velvetints. So, I have the 3 shades in here, and just for disclaimer, this is not sponsored from Colourette. Sobrang love na love ko lang talaga yung mga products nila. So this is the 3 shades, you guys, from the Colourette Velvetints. And as you can see, super cute nila, diba? This Velvetints, you guys, contains 3 grams of product for 299 pesos. So for me, medyo pricey but affordable pa rin siya. As you may know, nilaunch ito ng Colourette Cosmetics nung 3rd anniversary nila. That's why 3 shades muna yung nilabas nila for their Velvetints line. This is the shade Rosé, Birthday Cake, and RSVP. So, hindi talaga sila lipstick, you guys. But yung finish kasi nila sa lips when you apply it, para na rin siyang liquid lipstick. And what I really like about these products, you guys, is that it works in 3 ways. Pwede siya sa lips, sa cheeks, and sa eyelids. From the name itself, you guys, it has a velvet finish. So, I'm going to swatch this for you guys para mas makita nyo yung shades nila. Here's the swatches, you guys. So, ito si Rosé, si Birthday Cake, and si RSVP. So, as you can see, super nice ng 3 shades, right? And yung lagi kong ginagamit dito, you guys, is si Birthday Cake talaga. But on my face right now, as you can see, I have the shade Rosé on my lips, cheeks, and eyelids. So, super ganda rin na Rosé. So, si RSVP naman, perfect siya na parang warm tone na red, or actually, may pagka-cool tone din siya. I don't know, but super ganda niya. And actually, similar din siya kay Major from Sunny's Face. So, yeah. This Velvetints, you guys, from Colourette is an all-day powder matte kind of a tint daw sila. From velvet finish, naga-dries down siya into a powder finish. So, yun din yung pinaka-nagustuhan ko from this one, you guys. And hindi siya drying sa lips. Actually, I really like it. Parang super lightweight, super gaan niya, and super comfortable niya sa lips. That's why ito yung mga current go-to na ginagamit kong lipstick. As a lipstick, I highly recommend these products, you guys. Love ko ang Colourette and #support_local. That is it, you guys. So, lahat ng pinakita ko sa inyong lipstick is ma-recommend ko talaga, and perfect siya for medium morena skin tone like me. I hope this is very helpful for you guys, and I hope nagustuhan nyo tong video for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye!